Hey guys, Paulo here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out something a little different but super cool for your desk, the Divoom Times Frame. If you like technology that doubles as functional art, this might be right up your alley. Before we dive in, we'll talk about what this is, why I think it's more than just a frame, and how it can actually help your daily flow at your desk. First of all, a very big shout out to Divoom for being so patient with this video, as I've had it for a few months now and I've been so busy with my new studio setup. So a very big thanks to Divoom for sending this over. No money was exchanged. This is purely my own opinion. So let's check it out. This thing looks like something straight out of the future. It's got a 10.1-inch transparent IPS display that, when powered on, gives your visuals a sort of floating depth effect. Your clocks, photos, or widgets look like they're suspended in midair rather than just slapped on a screen. Structurally, it's a clean and minimalistic device, perfect for modern productivity at your desk, and given how much visual real estate it offers, without being bulky, you're not losing space over usefulness. One of the first things you'll notice when you set it up is how customizable it is. When I say customizable, I mean you've got hundreds of clock faces, animations, and even widgets you can choose from. There's stuff ranging from sleek minimalist clocks to pixel art pieces that feels almost nostalgic. You can switch these out either through the touch rotary knobs on the device itself or through the companion Divoom mobile app, which works on both iOS and Android. So why is this relevant to productivity? On the surface, it's a clock, but because it's a smart display, it can be so much more. Through the app, you can bring in live weather, calendar reminders, stock tickers, Pomodoro timers, in some cases real-time widgets, and social updates. That means it's not just telling the time, it gives you actionable info at a glance. No more flipping through between apps on your phone just to see the weather or your next calendar event. It's right there in your peripheral vision while you work, and because the display is so vibrant and well lit, it's easy to glance at without distraction. Another fun part, you can upload your own images and even short videos. The frame's 64GB of internal storage is plenty for a ton of photos or loops. So whether you want family pics, scenes that inspire you, or visual reminders of your goals, it's all easily manageable. And unlike some digital frames that lock you in with subscription fees, this one really doesn't. You get access to all the clock face libraries and creative assets without hidden charges. Yes, it has RGB edge lighting. You can sync it with content or even audio if you want a little mood right on your desktop. Honestly, this is one of those small design touches that makes the desk feel alive. I will say no product is perfect. One thing I wish this had is scheduled display control, like being able to automatically dim or shut off the frame at night so it doesn't compete with your screen time or sleep lighting. That was one suggestion from other reviewers, and yeah, with how bright this panel is, it would be welcome. Also, while you can upload pieces and widgets, I'd love to see more on-device creation tools so you could build your own faces without hopping into the app every time. And the one thing for me personally is that super bright light behind. I wish there was an option for me to turn that off or even put a cover on this so that it won't reflect on the wall. It does give out a very bright effect behind it, but that's what contributes to that 3D floating effect in the front. But overall, this thing feels premium. The display is vibrant and crisp. The customization options are genuinely fun and useful. And it somehow manages to be both decor and productivity tool at the same time. Whether you're doing deep work, casual browsing, or just want a frame that reflects your personality, it brings more to the table than a normal desk clock ever could. So, if you're looking to elevate your workspace with something that's not just pretty, but also informative and functional, the Divoom Times Frame is absolutely worth checking out. I personally found myself glancing at it throughout the day, not because I had to, but because it added useful context to my workflow. Drop a comment below if you think this could fit in your setup, or if you already have one. Let me know what you use it for, and as always, if you've enjoyed this video, hit that like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Till next time, see ya.